Let's go ice fishing. The first thing I need to do is to break a hole in the ice. Now, I just need to get my bait in the water. I forgot a chair, so I'm just gonna sit on my jacket. While I wait for the fish to bite, I'm gonna crack a bev. All I'm doing to work my little tube is I'm just gently jigging it once in a while to get the fish's attention, and then just setting it down and letting it rest. I've been fishing for about an hour and I haven't even had a bite, so maybe I'll try again tomorrow. Subscribe for more fishing. P.S. Remember to pick up your trash.